There she goes. I know you probably read the title of the video, so you already know what's going to happen here. It's kind of a sad moment. Thought we should all reflect for a second. Well, we made it to H&R Towing and Auto Parts. Here's our drive shaft in a box.
Razor's getting lifted. This lift thing majiggy high up into the air. I want to be in it. Now we're under dirt.
Yeah, it's like that 6. And then the, well, we'll take these
So dirty up
off
here.
and get it down.
Did you go in the back of my car?
Here, get back. Get off my ankle. Only people love insurance and all of their Actually, no, I got life insurance, then you never mind. You're good. Never mind. Come on over. Get under here.
Why?
No, just face it in here so we can see. Alright, our first step was take the skid plate down. We gotta be able to get to the bottom of the drive shaft here. And there's a lot of stuff under here that I'm glad we took apart to clean up. We've had to cut a couple bolts thanks to corrosion, but we're on our way. Alright, skid plate's down, we're back up in the air. There it is in there. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this here is not straight. I think we're gonna start unbolting stuff and figure out how to work it. I know somebody made a really good installation video on these, but we're gonna wing it for a little bit and see if we can figure it out. Fun project for Christopher. Take some of our Tennessee mud off of the bottom of the skid plate, or I guess the top of the skid plate. How's it going? You're done? Not quite. Get the power washer out next. Well, hopefully you can see this. I think we found the problem. So I get this one. Hopefully it'll be a little straighter. Well, this is what my help's doing.
Not your help.
Well, this is where we're stuck.
Drag your tires.
The roll pin in the front is giving us a hard time. That's about it. We're gonna start taking things out. Come on, you can do it. Oh, oh, the hole's a little tight. So let me explain a little bit about what's going on here. First of all, the old drive shaft came out with no problem, thanks to some help from a Sawzall. But keeping that in mind, we weren't completely sure what order to put the new driveline together in.
You want me to push on this end? I don't want
It's But before we could even start to figure out what order to connect all the parts in, we had to defeat the rubber boot. Woo! Come on up here and look at this. Right here. This rubber boot is trying to slide over the spines. It's giving us troubles.
Here, you want to pull it?
We're gonna try some more grease.
Beat the hell out of it.
Well, I'm up over it. It started on there. See how it's. Oh, I got her.
Got it?
Well, I felt it. It's I hit the threads.
That did that.
We're into the threads. Well, why don't we try and slide it on up here?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
What's that? We got something to push against. I think the front end has to go on first.
The front end should be on.
No. No, it's not. It's not.
Oh, I had it on.
Oh, no, I just pulled that apart, didn't I?
Yep. Keep putting it on there.
Oh, sorry.
That's what I should.
It's got a long ways to go to get that bearing up where it belongs. We're kind of there.
Yeah.
Here's this. Finally got the two
Yeah.
halves of the drive shaft put together.
You got a wire brush. We'll clean off this.
Took
The
about
yoke here.
a couple minutes.
That's the champ right there.
20 minutes, something like that.
That's good. Yeah.
Alright, you can stop spinning.
Come on. I can spin it a little more so you can get grease
Oh,
around the whole
goodness.
thing.
We need to make
Grease
up
up
like
there.
3 inches here.
Oh,
Yeah. And I think. After fighting with this drive shaft for over an hour, trying to get it to come together, I finally reached out to Jason from Razor's Edge in Motion. You know, the guy who made the original install video for the CCI driveline for the RZR 4900. Jason helped us out from all the way down in Georgia, letting us know we needed to connect the rear, then the middle, and finally the front. And you know what? It worked awesome. I didn't get any good video of the connection, but if you've been following along on your own drive shaft replacement, I'm sure you've got that part figured out.
connection was made. Oh, drive shaft from here. Greasing it. Well, doing something with the back. There's the back. Back drive shaft. Yeah.
Alright, let's flash forward a couple days. Razor's home. Skid plate is not completely on yet. Thanks to our swing set, we're going to take care of that today. Just take a minute here. We're going to talk about our first giveaway. So now that we've reached over 100 subscribers, we're going to be giving away some merchandise. To win the merchandise, we want you guys to Be a subscriber on the channel, comment on the video at the end here. Let us know what your favorite moment from 2018 was. We'd like to know, and then between the kids and I, we're going to pick our favorite comment, and we'll be contacting you. So let's get to work. Okay, on my Tusk Quiet Glide skid plate, this front bolt was a pain in the butt when I put it together the first time. So I decided to try a little bit easier. So, pardon my long grass, it is the end of December. I took a pipe wrench and used my head to bend it up to meet that corner bracket. I don't know if you can see that in there. That corner bracket, it bolts here and here around that frame tube. So last time I used a ratchet strap and it took all kinds of time and muscle and effort. This time I just used my head to pry it up with the pipe wrench. It went together fairly easy anyways. It's only the first bolt I've done, so don't get too excited. Well, history didn't repeat itself. This one actually went quicker. It was already pre-bent. I feel like the accident might have had something to do with that. But, regardless, oh, there's a shot of the front end of that brand new CCI drive shaft. Everything looking good. We'll get you in some more here. Okay, I skipped a lot of that last part for you. Skid plate's all done. Drive line's all done. So far, excited about the CCI driveline heavy duty drive shaft for the RZR. We'll see here. I'm hoping to plan a trip to Rocks and Valleys in Harrison shortly. So make sure and get your comments in for the giveaway, and we'll see you in the next video.